Hey, this is MKW Pros 124 here with another Lego gumball machine. So it takes only 50 cents. So first you come around to the back, and then you just put your gumballs in that hole. There's 3, 4, and then 5 gumballs. Okay, so now I'll take my 50 cents. No gum. And there comes my gumballs. And now, to get your money out, you gotta take out the gumballs. You come around here to the back, and then you pull this piece easily. And then there's this thing hanging down here. Just push that up. And then you can get your money out. And then that black dot right there is to show you where to put this thing back on. Because sometimes I'll put it too far back and it'll break some Legos. This machine is very fragile. It took a long time to make. So I'm not gonna show you the mechanism inside, because then I'll never be able to fix it, because that tap's super fragile. I'll just explain. So if I put in 1/4, there's a lever that blocks the gumballs from going in. If I put in 1/4, 1/4 is not enough weight to lift up the lever, but 2/4 lifts up the lever, so then the gumballs can slide out. See? Show you. 2/4, I'll put them in at the same time. And then you just get them out. Get them out from the back here. And then that lever is hanging down. Then when I push it back up, and then see, when I put in the quarters, it comes down. It's pretty cool. And what I just showed you with one gumball, somebody might write a comment on saying that it didn't work, but it did. Just to let you know. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'll just reload the gumballs. And there is a way to hack this machine without taking it apart. It's in an odd spot. Okay, the spot, as you can probably guess. Okay, so it is in the money retriever, because I already explained to you about that lever. You can just take it off, get in there, pull this lever down, and the gum will come out. I'll show you. Ready? See? The gum came out. Oh, I don't know where the orange went. Oh, I think I know. And then see, I just pushed the lever back up. Oh, it's breaking right here. Yeah, and sometimes the gumballs like to escape. So I'll just take this piece off here. And you can see inside there. And the gum probably fell in here somewhere. Oh, wait. It did go through. See, it just got stuck right there. I don't know how or why. Oh, that's odd. Okay, I got it out. And yeah, you can see in there. See, that's the lever. That's what happens when I put in my 2/4 to that lever. Wait, I should put a gumball in. I'll put a yellow one in since it's bright. Okay, I put my 2/4 in. And see, it lifts up, and then the gum gets dispensed. And then, oops, I forgot to put the thing on for the money. And the blocker. Okay. So it's a pretty cool machine. And I'll just put this piece back on. You have to have two hands, because if I make a slip of the finger, the machine will be destroyed. Okay. Just put it back on right there. And now I can eat my gum. So thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.